Jail. A place where criminals are kept by the police. A thief sits behind iron bars in a jail. Jewel. A beautiful and valuable stone used in jewelry. A red jewel shines in a golden crown. Journal. A magazine with serious articles by experts or scientists. A thick journal lies open on a wooden desk. Journalist. A person who writes or reports the news. A journalist holds a microphone and interviews a woman. Liquid. A substance that flows like water or milk. A woman pours blue liquid into a glass. Loan. Money that you borrow and pay back later. She needs a student loan. Loss. The state of losing money or something valuable. The company reports a big financial loss. Manner. The way someone speaks or behaves with others. He has a polite manner. Marvel. To look at something with surprise and wonder. Two children marvel at a giant dinosaur skeleton. Near. Used to show that something is very small or unimportant. A mere drop of water rests on a green leaf. Miner. A person who works underground to dig for coal or gold. A miner wearing a yellow helmet digs inside a dark tunnel. Mineral. A natural substance found in the ground, like gold or salt. A shiny gold mineral sparkles inside a gray rock. Minister. An important government leader with a special job. A minister speaks at a podium in front of reporters. Mount. To slowly grow or increase over time. Books and papers mount on a small desk. Neat. Clean, tidy, and well organized. A neat bedroom has a tidy bed and clean floor. Net. A tool made of string for catching fish or balls. A fisherman lifts a net full of fish. Nowadays. At the present time. Nowadays, many people use smartphones. Nutrient. A substance in food that helps people grow and stay healthy. Fresh vegetables provide important nutrients. Obtain. To get something by effort or action. A young woman obtains her driver's license. Occasion. A special event or important time. A family wears nice clothes for a winning occasion. Ordinary. Normal and not special. An ordinary white cup sits on a wooden table. Overcome. To successfully deal with a problem or fear. He works hard to overcome his difficulties. Participate. To join an activity with other people. Happy children participate in a school race. Penalty. A punishment for breaking a rule or law. The referee awards a penalty to the team. Permanent. Lasting for a very long time. A permanent marker leaves a black mark on paper. Permission. Approval to do something. A student asks the teacher for permission. Philosophy. The study of life, ideas, and truth. An old philosophy book lies beside a thinking statue. Plain. Simple and without decoration. A plain white shirt hangs on a hanger. Pot. A deep container used for cooking. A metal pot sits on a hot stove. Pour. To make a liquid flow into another place. A woman pours orange juice into a glass. Practical. Useful for everyday life. A practical backpack holds a laptop and a water bottle. Presence. The state of being in a place. The teacher's presence makes the class quiet. Preserve. To keep something safe for a long time. Workers preserve ancient objects in glass cases. Pronounce. To say a word correctly. A teacher pronounces an English word slowly. Pup. A very young dog. A brown pup sleeps on a soft blanket. Qualify. To become good enough for something. A runner wins the race and qualifies for the finals. Quarter. A coin worth 25 cents in the USA. A silver quarter lies on a wooden table. Raw. Not cooked. Raw fish sits on a white plate. Recall. To remember something from the past. An old man recalls his school days. Reef. A line of rocks or coral under the sea. Colorful fish swim around a coral reef. Regret. To feel sorry about something you did. She deeply regrets her decision. Religious. Connected with religion or belief in God. Many people attend a religious ceremony. Repair. To fix something that is broken. A mechanic repairs a broken bicycle. Resemble. To look like someone or something else. A little girl closely resembles her mother. Resume. To start again after stopping. The workers resume their work. Rob. To steal money or things by force. Two masked men rob a city bank. Romantic. Showing love and special feelings. A couple enjoys a romantic dinner by candlelight. Roof. The top cover of a building. A red roof covers the small house. Rude. Not polite or respectful. A rude boy points and laughs at an old man. Salary. Money paid regularly for doing a job. A worker receives her monthly salary.